Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I want to let you know that I've partnered with BTCC this month to offer you an amazing 10% deposit bonus of any size when you deposit $500 or more on their platform. For example, you could deposit 10k and get a 1k bonus totally for free, which is absolutely insane. Obviously you can do the maths on any deposits above that. Link is below in the description, make sure you sign up and get involved today. We've also struck up a great partnership this month with BitUnix, who are offering up to $5,500 of bonuses for first time depositors on their platform. Some very cool trading fund bonuses and other perks, so make sure to sign up there as well. So just taking a quick look at Polygon then on our daily time frame, as we can see consolidating at the lows here, pretty much exactly correlated, pretty much identically correlated in fact to the rest of the altcoin market. If you take a quick look at the altcoin basket, you can see we are basically consolidating after that huge ridiculous wick that we saw last week on Monday. Right now, as you can see, kind of consolidating around this area here, and we can see quite clearly that for Polygon we are doing exactly the same thing. The chart is basically exactly the same high correlation factor there. Going down, retesting the low that we formed previously after this big decline that we saw here, for basically all of our altcoins getting absolutely smashed, ridiculously oversold and in an area of demand here, probably consolidating for a bounce in my opinion. If you look at this chart across the board, you can see obviously this previous level of structure that we bounced at multiple times here, probably going to get another bounce from this area in my opinion, as long as Bitcoin doesn't dump the market, but we could definitely see lower, maybe down towards 20 cents for Polygon if we do see Bitcoin dropping down to 80k, which is highly possible. When you look at the chart here, we could easily fill this gap somewhat in my opinion. But apart from that, nothing to say. We are just waiting for Bitcoin to make its next move. Thanks a lot for joining me again today for another video. Make sure to go down below and sign up to BTCC to get your free 10% deposit bonus, and BitUnix for a massive bonus on sign up, and to like and subscribe to the channel for more in the future. Thanks a lot for watching.